Here we worked with a Gemini 3.5 flash computer use to make it not fail in its tasks. So basically, we created like this repository with a skill that monitor in real time how the agent is performing, and if the agent is not performing, it halts the agent, write a skill, inject on the fly the skill, and restart the agent. And if it fails again, it reads the previous skills, the screenshot and the traces, and build a better skill, and keep retrying till it's able to finish the mission. Here is the related work related to this research, and we see that this project, the closest project is the Voyager paper, and we see that the problem that this paper, it don't cover GUI and Gemini computer use. So in this case, we were able to improve this paper and using the knowledge from other papers to achieve this, this framework that is useful for me and I hope for a lot of people. So here are the main files that we developed. Here is the Gemini adapter, here's the distiller and the file that creates the skill loop, and also we have the verifier, the judge, and the operative critic that keeps monitoring what's happening. Here are some files where you can recreate the screen capture, and here I'm going to walk through some files explaining how each part works. So this first part here is where the skill injection happens, and it's more like a device that is added on the first turn of the agent. The second file here is how the keep gate works. So it keep the skill or discard the skill based on the result of the agent. This one here is where the loop happens, so it keeps injecting the previous distillations and where the failure happened, so the new skills can be better than the previous one. And this last part is the online intervention, is where when the agent say, oh, I'm done, mission completed, it will check the results. If not, it will try again. And this is from the reference that we got from this specific paper. So here in this video, I can show the agent being triggered and its step and the failure. And the distiller, I set a maximum of 5 retries, and we see that the first retry failed and it ingested back the knowledge, and the second retry also failed, and then on the third retry it was marked as success here. And here is a recording of the screen of the agent reasoning between the steps of the distillation of the skill. And here's the chart that show that the steps get reduced over time because the skills improve. And here is the table of the 3 paths that we did and the artifacts that it created, and also a ceiling that happened with this Apple website where the skill were not able to improve the agent and the skill were discarded. The skills saved are in this skills JSON file. And here I had some future work, things that we could improve and study, like a pass of 10 and mechanical error skills. That was the problem of Apple failure, and how you guys can reproduce this repo. And here the references and attribution for how I was able to combine all those pieces together.